So what we're doing is we've got to start the engine up because I've done a whole load of rewiring. We've got no idea if it's going to start. We've got to test it RII, make sure all that works. Also, we've got to bleed the power steering. It's getting picked up in a couple of days to do our show at Santa Pod, or not show, practice day. Oh yeah, and normally we start these things with petrol first, gasoline, just to get it going, and then you flip it over to alcohol. But we had a block heater on it. I want to see if it would start up straight on alcohol with no petrol.
Oh my eyes! Oh my god!
Is that Lambo?
That's the van. Alright, put it back on again.
Oh?
Yeah, I'll see how easy it starts again.
It's like a kill switch for an RC.
I need tissue.